Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series and now we have to solve we have already started the question on less than 500 rating and now we have to solve the second question on less than 500 rating which is lucky 7. Okay, so here is given a story which is a chef considered the number 7 as a lucky. Okay, as a result he believed that the seventh letter that he see will be a lucky letter. Okay, so in this question there is given a string of length 10. Okay, and you have to return the seventh letter which is the lucky letter of the chef. So the input format that there is given a string s of length and you just have to return the seventh character of the string. Okay, so let's suppose there is given a question out of sight. Okay, so here is given a example out of, I have written out of sight, SIGHT. Okay, so you have to return the seventh letter. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you have to return the I. You have to return the I, which is the seventh letter, seventh character of the string. Okay, so this is the lucky letter, lucky character, so you have to return the I. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to take the input. First you have to create string s and then take string s as an input, and then you have to traverse through the string for int I equals to 0, I less than s dot size s dot length and then I plus plus. You have to return if I is equals to 6, then you just have to see out s of I. You just have to return s of I and then you just have to break the loop. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.